Okay, what's up guys? I'm gonna do an unboxing of a Deep Blue. It's a micro brand of dive watches. Sorry, you might hear my dog in the background whining. They specialize in making really high quality dive watches for a really affordable price. So this is my first time getting one from the brand, so I'm not really sure what to expect other than just the YouTube videos I watch. So let's, sorry, this is hard to do behind the camera without cutting myself, so open this thing up. And the knife I'm using, in case anybody cares to open the package, is a Medford Micro Praetorian in S35V with titanium and black G10. So really cool knife. Alrighty, let's open this thing up, hopefully without showing my address. Man, did I forget tape again? I always seem to forget tape while I'm doing this. Packaged up pretty well, so that's good. Okay, there we go. That's good. I think it's got my address on it. So let me see if I can get that out of the way. Not that it really matters. I mean, if you really want to find out where someone lives, it's pretty easy to do. Okay, so there's the box. It's really cool. Let me get this paper out of the way. Let's get all my information on it before I put it out on the internet. Okay, so now we should be good. So, pretty simple packaging, pretty cool. Deep Blue Precision Divers. Open this end up. Okay. And there's the case. Man, pretty nice case for a super affordable watch. Super affordable, but very high quality from what I've been able to tell on YouTube videos and other people's reviews. So there's the packaging. Get out of here. So their website is really, really neat. If you're interested in this, go to Deep Blue's website, and there are more colors and configurations of watches than you could ever imagine. So you can pick, they have two sizes. This is a diver, which is the 40 millimeter, I think. And then they have the master diver, which is the 44, but it's already a really big, thick watch, as you can tell. So I opted to go for the smaller one. I don't have the biggest wrist of all time. But you can pick, obviously, the watch, the dial color, you can pick the, and then the band. They have so many different bands. I went for this really cool silicone or rubber, whatever you call it, really soft material band. And man, it's really soft. I mean, this can be really comfortable, but I wanted it for the summer because I want it to be able to breathe. So on your wrist, you can tell it kind of has those holes all around it. So I thought it'd be really breathable, more breathable than some of the other ones. But so this one, see, Deep Blue. So I went for the all white kind of gloss finish. Sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, full ceramic. The water resistance 300 meters, which is, I mean, that's up there with, I mean, shoot, Omega Seamasters and everything. NH35 movement, which is a great, everybody knows the Seiko movement, Japanese movement. And they got the rotor signed Deep Blue. I love how thick the case is. Signed crown, screw down crown. It's got, I think that's the helium escape valve. Yeah, which is like, never gonna use. Let's see how the action is. Oh, wow, that sounds pretty good. I kind of was expecting it. I had heard mixed reviews, but this is the Diver 2. This is the second generation one, the latest one. So I'm kind of wondering if that bezel action has gotten a little bit better with the second gen, because people had said it wasn't the greatest. Wow, lines up perfectly, which is good. So that looks good. The full luminous, full lume on the bezel. Yeah, cool. Let me put it on the wrist. Kind of hard to do behind the camera. Let me throw it on the wrist real fast and see how it looks, how it fits. super comfortable. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Perfect size for me. I mean, like I said, I don't have the biggest wrists, so if I would have gotten any bigger, I think it would have been a little bit too big for me. But and then it's got side deep blue there. Yeah. Overall, super impressed. It does sit off the wrist quite a ways, but it looks cool though. I mean, it's super tooly, you know, like this is the ultimate tool watch to me. Big, thick, you know, robust, beat it up. So when you go to Deep Blue's website, you're gonna see the pricing. I think they're normally like $400. I think they usually have them on sale for like $2 something. And then they also have tons of coupons. So just look for coupons. I got this one for an absolute steal. I had a 40% off coupon that I found. And this ended up being, shoot, like $155, $160, which in my opinion for what you get is, honestly, this is probably about the best value in dive watches that I've seen so far. So super impressed. So yeah, super thick. I think it's measured at like 15 millimeters, which I think most dive watches are usually around 12 to 13, somewhere in that range. So definitely chunky, but I think it looks cool. It adds to the tooliness of it, if that's a word. And you get a nice case. I mean, for that type of money, it's amazing that they can. Oh, what do we got in here? Looks like I missed something. Might be some more goodies. Get this out. Oh wow, okay. What do we got? I knew I was gonna miss something. It's so hard to do this stuff behind the camera. So many other YouTube people make it look easy. So there's your warranty card. Probably a little pamphlet of instructions. Deep Blue. Oh, that's cool. That's neat. I don't know. Getting stuff like this, some people say it's corny, but I think it kind of adds to the watch, honestly. And then a cloth, so. All right, I'll leave it at that. Cool watch. I'm impressed so far. We'll see how it does wearing it. See you later.